When a racing car hits a wall at 150 miles per hour, the car is destroyed. The driver walks away. You could be thinking it because of luck. Some may think it's magic. Well, it's not. This is possible because of carbon fiber. And today, we're going to find out why this material, which is lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel, is quietly changing everything around you. While the name carbon fiber may sound familiar to most people, many of them don't really know what it's made of, or how it's made, and its applications in our day-to-day life. We will begin with a simple explanation. Carbon fiber is made from incredibly thin strands of carbon atoms. We're talking about strands 5 times thinner than a human hair. These strands are twisted into yarns, woven into sheets, and then locked into a plastic resin to form rigid panels. The end result is a material that is up to 5 times stronger than steel, which is 40% lighter. Think about that. A material 5 times stronger than steel while weighing half when put on a scale. While we may think of it as an upgrade, carbon fiber is expected to be the technological revolution in the next few years. In this video, we will explore how carbon fiber is made. Also, we will check its core properties and its applications in our daily lives. Before we dive in, hit the subscription button if you find the content useful. It will help with the YouTube algorithm, and also you'll be notified when we release a new video. Now, you could be asking, if carbon fiber is so amazing, why isn't everything made from it? Your desk, your car, your house? Why are we still using steel? That's the real question, and we have an answer, and it may come as a surprise because it's not about strength. It's about something else entirely, and we will reveal it at the end of the video. First, let's talk about why carbon fiber is so ridiculously strong. Steel gets its strength from iron atoms packed tightly together, strong in every direction. Carbon fiber works differently. The carbon atoms form in a crystal-like structure, bonded in long chains, and when you align those chains in the direction of force, the strength becomes extraordinary. Here's an analogy. Imagine a bundle of straws. Individually, they're weak, but tape them all together, aligned in the same direction, and try to crush them end-on. Suddenly, they're incredibly resistant. That's essentially what carbon fiber does at the atomic level. Millions of perfectly aligned carbon chains are working together. When held together, the result is a material with a tensile strength of over 3,500 megapascals. This amount of strength is ridiculous when compared to structural steel, which has strength of around 400 megapascals. That's nearly 9 times stronger in tension. What you may not know is that carbon fiber is already all around you, hiding in plain sight. Aerospace engineers use it to build aircraft bodies that are lighter, meaning less fuel burned. For example, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner has over 50% carbon fiber by weight. Sports cars like the Lamborghini Huracan use full carbon fiber chassis, meaning the car is faster, safer, and more fuel efficient. Olympic cyclists ride carbon fiber bikes that weigh less than 7 kilograms in total weight. Even prosthetic limbs. Carbon fiber blades let amputee sprinters compete at world-class levels. It's not just a material, it's freedom for some people. Now we can revisit your question on why isn't everything made from carbon fiber when it's so strong. It is about cost. When compared to steel, carbon fiber is really expensive. 1 pound of carbon fiber can cost about 10 to 30 times more than steel. The manufacturing process is complex, slow, and energy-intensive. You can't just stamp it in a press like you can with metal. But here's the good thing. Those costs are dropping every single year. Research labs are finding faster, cheaper ways to produce it. In 10 to 20 years, we may live in a carbon world. To many people, carbon fiber is one of those materials that sounds like science fiction, but it's sitting in jet engines right now, in race cars, in the bodies of people running marathons. We are living in the beginning of carbon age. We just don't know it yet. If this blew your mind even a little bit, smash that like button and subscribe, because next week we're looking at graphene, the material that makes carbon fiber look ordinary. Yeah, it gets crazier. See you then.